Hi everybody, it's Linda's Crochet Channel. Thought I'd give you a little sneak peek. I got my hand-dyed yarn item finished for the contest. I don't have my photos taken yet, but here's a sneak peek of it. It's very pretty and it blocked out real nice. Shiny, sparkly. I think it's pretty. I have to figure a way to take pictures of it. Also, wanted to tell you my blue yarn is getting worked on. I started a shawl. It's from Bag O' Day. It's called the Having a Ball Shawl. And the reason I think she called it that is because every stitch is a puff stitch. Now, not my favorite stitch, but I thought, well, I kept going back to it because I thought that was such a pretty shawl. And I thought, I don't want to do puff stitches. Then I thought, Linda, you can do this. Just take your time. It's no rush. But I'm so compulsive. I need to get things done. But I'm taking my time. I started yesterday. I got 21 rows done. I think it was 21. Let me look at my handy dandy little notepad Camille's Creation sent me to mark off my rows. This is really neat. I like this. 24, 23, 22 rows done yesterday. But I made a mistake. I had to frog it back to the 5 row. It's a 5, 6, 7 repeat row. Had to frog it back to the last couple stitches of the row 5 and do row 6 and 7 again. I did that this morning. Put it away, did some laundry, got something out for dinner. Just pedaled around and I got back to it. So now I've done row 5 and 6 on my next. I blocked them off in threes. I did row 5 and 6 on the next repeat, and I'm on row 7 now. I'm doing mine in like I showed you, the Hirschner's mill-in cake. It doesn't tell you exactly what weight it is. This one feels like cotton. But this is it so far. It's growing. I'm getting into some color change in there. Started a lot with that light blue color. And then it gradually went into a different, and now I'm into a little bit darker, which is always exciting. I had quite a few color changes in the last row, but I don't think they were actually color changes. I think they just knotted the same color together. That's why they're mill-ins, because they don't necessarily have to limit how many knots are in it, I guess. But I'm at the halfway point on this row 7, and it does take a little bit of concentration. And if I would have counted, I would have known I was missing one, and I wouldn't have did those 2 extra rows and had to frog. But I didn't. But then again, like I said in my last video, I don't know when to quit. And I was tired last night, and I thought, well, let me do one more 3-row repeat. Well, that's where I made a mistake. I should have just stopped, but it was so hot last night. I didn't want to go to bed because it was like, way too hot. So I did one more row repeat, and it's a waste of my time because I had to frog. That's all right, I don't mind. But I just thought I'd come on and show you that I did get started on that, and I finished that other project. I've not knitted. No, I haven't got the desire yet. It has to be something I want to do. Otherwise, I'll just get frustrated. But I feel it coming soon because there's not actually too many more make-alongs right now that I'm joining in. I can't, one of them that I usually do, I can't join because it's a big project and it's certain colors of yarn that I don't have. So I just said I'll sit out and watch everybody this time, which then will free up me some time. Maybe I'll get that knitting started. I decided to cut back on the small stuff for a while. I probably said this yesterday. And I think I need to find me a simple project in either DK or worsted weight yarn and use my bigger circulars and practice on those and actually make something rather than just swatching. And then I'd feel accomplished and I'd probably get a little bit more, I don't know how to say it, more confidence in trying to knit if I actually make something. Now, a year and a half or so ago when I tried to knit, I did. I made a hat and I made a scarf, and I don't remember if I made anything else. I think I did, but I don't know what it was. It's put away somewhere. But I was pretty confident that time, but then I put it away and lost my confidence in knitting, but I'll pick it back up. I'm going to let y'all go. I just thought I'd stop here. I don't know if my phone's going to cut me off at 7 minutes like it did the other day, so it's already 6.5 minutes or so. So I'm going to let y'all go. Just remind you to like and subscribe and send some people over to help me get to my 750 by the August for my 75th birthday. We're getting there slowly, but that's all right. It's fun to try. It's not anything that I'm have to do. So I'm going to let you go because it's 7 minutes now. See you later. Bye-bye.